on this plane for 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to almost 4. So we've been on here for 5 hours now. Almost 6. 5. Almost 6. I want to kill myself right now. I feel like I'm tired. I have to pee. My pants are riding up in every way possible. Besides, my legs are getting sweaty because my leg is on your leg. Everybody wants you. I want to show you. Okay, you can't really see it at all. Okay, no, that's not working. BTW. We're watching some girls play some weird show right now. I think but we don't have any fans. What? Well, we don't have any fans. Yeah, we're the only ones that can't fucking hear this shit. Because the plug won't stick in the hole. Go in! So, we have a lot more videos coming, by the way. Because we're going to be in Philly with our webcam father. Or webcam. Yeah. So, get ready. We're coming. Taking over YouTube, one video at a time. Like you, Taylor Bebop. Sarah, baby.